It's not over. Holy crap, is that the fin? Oh my gosh. A bunch of them landed on their heads. There's a bug on my finger. I crushed it. Just heard a freaking giant puppet. Here comes Chase, Aaron's little brother. Some more. Some more? Some more what? You're killing me, Smalls. I got that from the Sandlot. Oh, here comes a boat that likes to watch.
Yeah!
Holy crap.
That looks cool on the camera.
I know.
Board!
Holy crap. That looked painful. When that firework landed on their faces, dang, they must have having fun over there. Hashtag sarcasm.
Yeah.
Oh wait, there's some more going on over there, but we're not watching those right now. These are more legit.
Yeah.
Stop showing your s'more.
I said stop showing your s'more.
Quit it!
With my hand.
I'm gonna literally push you in the water if you show your s'more during an really interesting firework. Rainbow twirling launching sums. I mean, I'm seriously caught up with so many words. My brain is stuffed with filing cabinets of words and stuff.
Star Wars.
Dang. Dude, don't shake the deck, or else you're gonna make me drop my camera and then goes in the water and breaks it. It's not over. It's never over. Oh, thanks for the chair. I'm hoping this will support the weight of it. Actually, I need to go this side. There we go. This is a lot better. I'll just watch on my camera screen like I'm watching a video, plus recording it at the same time.
Just look up. It looks really cool, more live. Hey, do you have shoes on?
Yes, I do.
Hey, take your flip-flops off, put them in the middle platform right here.
Why?
Feels better. About the flip-flops crunching on your feet.
Nah, it's all right. My flip-flops have a lot of space.
UFO!
Oh, would you look at that? They light off a lamp.
Oh, it's a UFO.
And they're lighting off fireworks over there.
UFOs. We call them UFOs around here, okay? Look at, usually around, like, later at the time, over there, there'll be like a bunch!
Oh, this might be the grand finale.
No, this is the middle finale.
Oh, come on.
Wait, no, this is the beginning finale.
Why? How long does these firework shows
They just
last?
get them out from the beginning, then they get, like, twice as much as the beginning.
So it's 10:15, so it might be a quarter finale.
No, it is. No, this thing goes on for hours.
That's
the fire department over there.
The fireworks show goes down for hours.
Yay. That's the fire department. And
Then
they have some serious money.
Then there's
So
gonna be
these can sometimes go on for like 6 hours. Though that's how long. Over there.
yeah, they're launching fireworks over there, but we're not interested. Anyway, though.
Waiting for the big. When are they gonna launch the huge space ones that take up the whole entire stinking sky?
China.
If you wanted some factual evidence, one part in the fireworks is actually thermite.
I know. That's what makes them launch up. Holy crap!
That big one you just saw,
Yeah.
that probably had thermite in it. All big ones have thermite.
Yeah, that's what makes
That
them
one makes
launch up.
what the thermite does is make it that huge rain and a huge circle. It makes it really bright.
Also, the material to make them launch up too.
Yeah.
Got another.
Another what?
S'more. Oh, that was a really low shot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it almost hit face.
They probably hurt themselves a lot. I'm just kidding.
Well, they're all in fire gear. Some of them. The launchers are in fire gear since they're
Okay.
the fire department. Whoa, that one touched the water.
Yep. So these videos, there might be like 20 videos. So anyways, that's all.